Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 1 of our full free Python crash course, which we're going to cover all sides of Python and make you full Python developer by end of this course. So subscribe to catch next videos and let's jump into the video. Python is most popular programming language in the world, and it was created in 1991 and very simple to learn, and it have lots of usage in programming world. And why we should learn it? Well, Python is used in web development for rapid development, especially because it's very simple to learn and it's going to save lots of time for us. Another usage of Python is in game development. Then you can write and code automations in different scenarios using Python very simply. And another usage of Python is in finance, which you can create your automated trading bots such as expert advisors or some analysis AI to help you do your work and trading. Another thing which Python is very popular in that field is data science and machine learning, which of course you can use other languages like C or other ones, but Python, because of its simplicity and pure lines of code, is really the best choice for this. And the last one, which is very popular now in the world, is AI. And with Python, you can create your own AI or implement other AIs into your own and release your version of artificial intelligence. But let's talk about who is this course for. Well, if you're absolute beginner to programming and you don't know anything about programming, Python is one of the best choice that you can have to enter this field. Because of its simplicity in explanation and its very simple syntax, you can start learning code and you can code your first applications using Python very good and easy. If you're a student which you need to do some homework or research and you need to code something around it, Python probably is your best choice. Because again, it's simple to learn and you can do lots of work with this programming language. The next group of people which this course is very useful for them are web developer or app developers that are currently working. Again, because Python is very quick to write and it has very simple syntax, it's very good to use on rapid development and you can create your web applications, websites or applications so much quicker with Python than other languages. And other group of people which this course is very useful for them are data science and AI interested people, because Python is now most popular language in the world as well as most popular language in this field of data science and AI implementation. So if you want to start your journey in AI or anything related to programming, Python is one of the best programming language and probably the best programming language that you can start with. And in this course, we're going to have this roadmap, which at first we're going to start with the basics of variables, data types, functions, and how to start coding and implementing these items in our codes. Then we're going to cover loops and conditionals like for, if, while, elif, and other things that you need to know to start coding beautiful apps and scripts. Then we're going to cover object-oriented programming, subjects like classes, objects, constructors, or other things, which is very useful in complex application and helps us know and manage our program and code very much easy. Then we're going to cover file handling in Python, which how we can interact with other files like text file, HTML file, or anything that you might have in your mind. And we're going to do actions like reading the content inside of that file, writing new lines into it, or change something in that file and content. After that, we're going to cover error management in Python using try, except, finally. And after this part, we're going to have our advanced Python series, which includes using some popular libraries like NumPy, Turtles, or other things. And we're going to have some GUI projects implementing 0 to 100 after learned all about Python. And at the end, we're going to have some examples of how we can use Python in the real world. So give a like and subscribe to the channel to don't miss the other parts of this crash course and other videos coming up, and turn on the notification so you can know when the new part has came out. See you in the next one.